In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to create a Teams meeting invite link. So first of all, open your Microsoft Teams app, and then on your app, we need to go to the calendar section from here. And from here, we wanna choose the date and time. So I want my meeting to be tomorrow at 4 p.m. So I just need to select 4 p.m. from here. Now add the title for your meeting. So I'm just gonna type here sample because I'm just showing you for the sake of this video. Then enter your name here or email address. Choose the date and time from here too. Now choose the meeting type. So if you want this meeting to not repeat, then set it to does not repeat. But in case you want this meeting to be recurring on daily basis or monthly basis, then you can select that option from here. Now add location in case you have any, and then you can add your description too. Now to save these changes, we need to click on save from the top right corner, and then it will show you this meeting preview here. Now to get the link, we need to click on copy from here, and then the meeting link will be copied on your clipboard. Now I want to show that here, so let me just create a new notepad, and now I can open any document here and paste that copied thing, and you can see everything has been pasted here. If you just wanna take URL, then you can just copy this link here and send it to your friends, team members or students, and they can easily access your meeting and join it. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.